Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the stunning MH interior in Islamabad. This project is a perfect blend of modern and traditional design elements, creating a unique and inviting atmosphere. From the moment you step inside, you'll be captivated by the beautiful architecture and exquisite decor. The MH interior in Islamabad is a testament to the art of interior design, with each room showcasing a different style and color palette. Whether you're a fan of minimalist design or prefer a more eclectic approach, you'll find something to appreciate in this stunning interior. We're sure you'll be inspired by the creativity and attention to detail that has gone into every corner of this space. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the MH interior in Islamabad. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing interior design inspiration. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.